Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with safety and immediate access. Park level, set the brake, and chock the opposite wheels. Once done, lift the corner and install jack stands at the frame. Never rely on the jack. Make sure you can see the sway bar link and its grease fitting. Clean the area with a rag and a small wire brush. Remove any torn boot pieces so the fitting is exposed. Now grab a grease gun, 2 Oz of chassis grease, and a rag. You're ready to engage the fitting. You now attach the grease gun and deliver lubricant correctly. First, choose the right grease, usually NLGI 2 chassis grease, and load the gun. Press the coupler squarely onto the Zerk fitting. If it resists, hold the link steady with pliers and rock the coupler until it seals. Pump in short bursts. Watch the link's boot and the joint for fresh grease extrusion. If old grease flows out, continue until you see clean grease. This flushes contaminants and replenishes internal lubrication for smooth pivoting. You finish by removing the grease gun and wiping any excess away. Make sure the boot sits correctly and replace it if it's torn. Once the car is lowered, test drive briefly and recheck the link after about 50 miles to confirm no leaks and normal handling. If grease would not enter or the joint still feels tight, suspect a blocked Zerk or internal seizure. Try a new grease fitting, or if the joint remains stiff, plan to replace the sway bar link to avoid future failure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.